open, but not all the time? Why is the Philippines always ranked as one of the most corrupt countries in the whole world? Yan, sagutin niyo ako niyan. Nagpapakalinis kayo? Aba kung malinis pala ang mga opisyalis natin at malinis pala sa buong bansa, eh bakit palagi tayong nililista ng Transparency International as one of the most corrupt countries in the world? Magtitingnan tayo. Sino kaya dito? Yan ang unang tuto ko. That is the problem in this country. We're all for honest government, and yet the world condemns us as one of the most corrupt countries in the world. That's why it is difficult to win in any international election, in any international campaign, because the Philippines, among others, has a reputation of being a corrupt country. Isip ng iba, kung corrupt ang bayan na yan, walang matinong lalabas dyan. Walang matinong ibubuga yan. Bawat sabay sa inyo, walang sala, tungkol sa SALN. Bigyan niyo ako ng sapang buhay. Panginoon, bigyan mo ako ng sapang buhay. At imbestigahin ko lahat. Isa-isa. Dito sa Senado, sa House of Representatives, bigyan natin. Pati sarili ko, imbestigahin ko.
Mr. Jennifer.
Ang daming loopholes ng SALN na yan, pati hindi kayo umimik noon. Ba't ngayon, bigla na lang kayo to exercise about the loopholes? Well, if that is the case, then let us hold our assets in dollars and no, the purpose of the SALN will be perverted or corrupted. That is true. But what about all the other loopholes? Bakit ngayon lang kayo nagalit tungkol sa loophole na yan? Bakit doon pa? Dahil yung iba sa atin, ginagamit yung mismong loophole na yun. Hindi lang ginawa yung pera.
Pwede mo na mag-add 40 pesos.
40 pesos? Ayaw na.
Ngayon, kung lahat pala tayo anan, kung marami pala tayo sa atin ay anan, why is the Philippines open, but not all the time? Why is the Philippines always ranked as one of the most corrupt countries in the whole world? Yan, sagutin niyo ako niyan. Nagpapakalinis kayo? Aba kung malinis pala ang mga opisyalis natin at malinis pala
Paad
sa
ko
buong
sa karay.
bansa, eh bakit palagi tayong
Isa
nililista
karay.
ng Transparency International as one of the
Itong
most
white
corrupt
lang.
countries in the world? Pagtitingnan tayo, sino kaya dito?